Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best countertop blenders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Vitamix Professional Grade Self-Cleaning Blender. If you are unsure of how to use the Vitamix 5200 blender, you have several options for learning how to get the most out of your blender. First, of course, is the Vitamix instruction manual. This will give you step-by-step instructions on all the functions of your new machine. One of the biggest questions I've heard regarding the Vitamix 5200 is whether or not it can make soup. The answer is a resounding yes. Soup was always something my mom slaved over the stovetop making for hours and hours in the winter. But now, you can heat ingredients of a soup in 6 minutes on full power. With the Vitamix 5200 blender, you can effectively cook soup with your blender. The sheer power of the blades can actually blend and heat cold ingredients into a hot soup in approximately 6 minutes. I have read about some experiments across various health food blogs, and there are even users that have achieved hot soup in as little as 3 minutes. Variable speed control. Easily adjust speed to achieve a variety of textures. The dial can be rotated at any point during the blend, so you're in complete control. Large batches. The size and shape of the self-cleaning 64-ounce container is ideal for blending medium to large batches. Design feature. Radial cooling fan and thermal protection system. Hot soup. The blades in the Vitamix container reach speeds fast enough to create friction heat, bringing cold ingredients to steaming hot in about 6 minutes. Number 2. Our second best pick is Nutri Ninja Personal and Countertop Blender. The Nutri Ninja Blender Duo with Auto IQ has 1200 watts of professional power and performance. The XL 72 ounces, 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Pitcher features total crushing technology to crush through ice and frozen ingredients in seconds to create creamy frozen drinks. The Nutri Ninja blade assembly pulverizes whole fruits and vegetables for nutrient and vitamin extraction. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables. Blend personalized smoothies and juices directly in the Nutri Ninja cup. Attach the lid and enjoy on the go. Auto IQ technology features timed, intelligent blending programs that do the work for you. No guesswork required. XL 72-ounce total crushing blender pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. Nutri Ninja Pro extractor blades break down whole fruits, vegetables, ice and seeds for maximum nutrient and vitamin extraction. Small, regular, and jumbo multi-serve Nutri Ninja cups with sip and seal lids for nutrient-rich super juices on the go. Number 3. Our third best pick is Vitamix Ascent Series Smart Blender. The Vitamix brand has a strong following and we were impressed too. This blender performed exceptionally well at grinding coffee beans and blending milkshakes and smoothies. It has a 64-ounce jar, one of the largest we evaluated and perfect for large batches. Best of all, it was both powerful and quiet at the same time. We found the touchscreen controls easy to use, the jar fits on the base nicely, the handle is comfortable to grip and the lid comes on and off effortlessly. The jar is not dishwasher safe, but the lid, plug, and tamper are. It can also connect to an app on your phone wirelessly. The app provides 17 programs to make smoothies, baby food, and nut butters, and even for grinding, chopping, frothing, and cleaning. It comes with an impressive 10-year standard warranty. You're in control. Variable speed control and pulse feature let you manually fine-tune the texture of any recipe. Built-in wireless connectivity. The motor base is able to read the container size you've chosen and automatically adjust program settings and maximum blending times accordingly. Add a range of compatible container sizes. building a customized blending system designed to fit your needs. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is KitchenAid Countertop Blender. This pretty blender claims to blend even the toughest ingredients, from kale to almonds, and it passed our test with flying colors. We couldn't taste the kale in our smoothie. It crushed ice into snow-like consistency, and it even blended chia seeds smoothly. It features easy-to-use presets for crushing ice, smoothies, and icy drinks. Plus, a little soap and water added to the self-clean cycle makes sure no food bits are left behind in hard-to-reach spots. In our tests we noticed that the start button is a little small and sometimes needed to be pressed several times to activate. We love its sleek design and lower price point compared to similar high-powered blenders. You can pick from a variety of fun colors. Amazing quality for the value. One of the best blenders in the market right now. The only gripe is that it doesn't have an easy pour lid or cap. Other than that, it's easy to use, its auto timer shut-off is super convenient, and overall it has industrial power in a small frame. Some people may say that the controls are too complicated. Probably shouldn't be using a blender or anything with sharp parts. The controls are not as complicated as some reviews have made them seem. A few preset options and 1 to 5 speed. A pulse option and a start button. Fairly simple. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Cuisinart Hurricane Compact Juicing Blender. This is the blender for when you are tight on space, but don't want to compromise on performance and options. In our tests, the rotary dial controls are easy to use. For low, high, and pulse, the measurement markings are clear and the jar is easy to grip and get on and off of the base. It features a 32 ounces jar and two 16 ounces travel cups with lids. One's a single wall, the other a double wall. Perfect for keeping your smoothie cold. It made great margaritas and milkshakes, but our smoothies had flecks of fruit and ice left behind. Keep in mind that getting the blade and off can be a little tricky to twist on. Turn left and to twist off, turn right. Pros. Lots of flexibility on how to blend something. Larger smoothies in the pitcher. Single smoothies in the cup. Baby food in the little chopping cup. Quieter than my Nutri Bullet. The price on Amazon right now is less than many competitors' prices by a significant amount. Quality of our smoothie. We think the smoothies get airier and subsequently last longer, takes longer to drink, which is a great thing when you are feeding lots of clamoring kids. Two blades mean you can make smoothies followed by chopping or mixing baby food and not have to immediately wash between uses. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.